Everyone, good morning. Firstly, belated Holika Dahan and happy Holi to everyone. I know today is Grahan, so we are not playing Holi today. So we will play tomorrow. So actually, right now here are sunlight are coming. That's why I'll facing little bit difficulties to capture this video. So right now I'm in my kitchen garden. Actually we are harvesting garlic. So I'll show you harvesting of garlic, okay, because garlic is fully mature, so we thought we need to harvest all the garlics right now. Otherwise we have that will not easy to harvest after some time if we do too late for harvesting. So we are harvesting this time, okay. So I'll show you. Too much sunlight are coming, that's why this video are also little bit looking. She is my mama, she is doing harvesting of garlic. I also will help her, but this time I'm shooting, and after that after this video I'll help her. Actually I also have house help, but she is doing some kitchen course, that's why we came early. So you can see here this is garlic, but you know the bulb of garlic is not that much big, because here the soil of my kitchen garden is little bit, I know, different. We don't get that much harvest every year. I thought we need to change the soil. We have to add some other minerals and other biofertilizers. Yeah, because the bulb you can see it is too small. Every year we get this kind of garlic. So this time maybe you all know the importance of Holika Dahan, especially because major importance is of Holika Dahan, and we do celebration of Holi, but Holika Dahan. So Holika Dahan have main significance and importance that we can gather, we can adopt from that festival, because in our every Hindu festival we have some significance, some importance for our life. Just like if we talk about Holika Dahan, so it is symbol of winning of devotion, faith over evilness. Just like Prahlad win against his father. His father was arrogant king, and he thought he was God. But Prahlad was a devotee of Vishnu Bhagwan, and he had a great faith on him, on his devotion. So he won that thing. So we all should have faith on ourselves. We have to took out our ego or arrogance from within us. So we can learn lot of things from our festival, and all this festival come from to change us. Yeah. So this is not just festival. If you really celebrate, so firstly you need to understand the meaning why we celebrate and what we can learn. Then if you do celebration, so that will be a great thing. So this is all about Holika Dahan. It is to change ourselves, because we have lot of negativity, lot of bad things, evilness within us. So we need to took out all that kind of bad things, evilness, and go towards a good thing, positivity, some great things. Yeah, and we need to change ourselves, and this festival gave all that kind of meaning. Yeah. And we have faith, we have to fight for true things. You don't need to worry who are in front of you. You just need to stay for what you are fighting. Yeah, if you are right in your place, so you don't need to worry about all that things. So now I'll show you my younger Dadaji's kitchen garden. They are also harvesting garlic. Okay. What kind of flower is this? Maybe this is weed. Yeah. And you know what? We also have to make a herbarium file of weeds because we have that subject, weed management. You can see in my backside, both are my Chote Dadaji and Dadima. They are harvesting, they are also harvesting garlic. Actually, because of sunlight, this video is little bit shining. Yeah, I'm facing little bit difficulties to capture the video. So I'll show you the bulb of garlic because they get good harvesting. This kitchen garden soil is little bit different from my kitchen garden. So the bulb of that garlic is always they get large. Here you can see the bulb of garlic. It is too large as compared to my kitchen garden. That soil is little bit I don't know what kind of. They always get this kind of harvesting, and this is good. Yeah. And harvesting is not done at because lot of vape we have, and you can see mama, she is my choti dadi ma, he is my dadaji. He is Lokesh uncle. He is our house help, so he is helping us for harvesting. And in this kitchen garden also we have lot of veggies, but this is we get all harvesting of all vegetables, like we completely cauliflower are ended, and just we have some left like garlic. That's it, we don't have that much. And here you can see cabbage. So that's it for today. Bye, have a nice day, stay safe, and play safe holy. And first understand why we celebrate the things. Okay, bye.